The faces of our past tell a story of passion and determination. A proud tradition of American ingenuity that is honored with every bike we build. History shapes us, but the future will define us. Introducing the all-new 2015 Indian motorcycles. The most distinct and vibrant motorcycles to ever grace the road return with a classic American design that inspired an era. The Indian Chief Classic, Chief Vintage, and Chieftain are now available in rich two-tone colors that celebrate true Americana. Coupled with the power of the Thunderstroke 111, style and performance have never felt so good. Since 1940, one motorcycle has personified pure American luxury and hard-earned prosperity. Inspired by the original, the all-new Indian Roadmaster has arrived. With classic styling and all the power and comfort you want in a touring bike. Rich premium leather, lowers with tons of storage and a quick locking trunk, Bluetooth enabled and a power windshield. One ride and you'll feel why it's earned the name Roadmaster. But there was one Indian motorcycle that changed it all. Forged by pioneers of agility, balance, and speed. Generations of riders have raced with passion and fought for freedom, all behind the handlebars of an Indian Scout. We are proud to introduce the bike that redefines the midsize category. With a name respected by all, no matter what brand you ride. The all-new 2015 Indian Scout. Gracefully fashioned with timeless style and authentic craftsmanship, and masterfully engineered with modern power and performance. The all-new liquid-cooled engine is housed in a lightweight chassis with a lower seat height and beautiful genuine leather. This is a bike built for a spirited ride with intuitive handling and confident control. Rooted in a rich and unrivaled past, yet unlike anything that's ever been. For over 100 years, we've been building legendary motorcycles. Motorcycles that have pushed the limits and redefined a culture. Join us and be part of Indian motorcycle history.